Hi, I am Marjorie Payumon, taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism at Taguig City University. I will show you an example of factoring by common, wherein AB plus AC equals A times B plus C. We have an equation we will compute for its factor. 4x squared plus 8x. First step, we will find the least common denominator or LCD. The LCD of the equation is 4x. So we will divide the 4x to the equations. 4x squared over 4x plus 8x over 4x. Cancel the same numbers because it will result to 1. So the answer will be 4x times x plus 2. Yan na. Bakit ba? Thank you for listening.